Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of whose app. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about whose app, and you can click here, sort like this. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can so as you see here in the first, you can click on first stop. Then you will enter the storage, and here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.